Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will guide you on how to adjust your touchpad sensitivity in Windows 11. If your cursor feels too fast or too slow, changing the sensitivity can make your laptop easier and more comfortable to use. First, right-click on the Start icon located at the bottom. From the list that appears, click on Settings to open the main Settings window. Next, in the Settings menu, look at the left-hand side and select Bluetooth and Devices. After that, scroll down through the list until you find Touchpad and click on it to open the Touchpad settings. Then, in the Touchpad settings, find the section labeled Taps. Here, you will see an option called Touchpad Sensitivity. Click on the drop-down menu next to it to reveal 4 different options: Low Sensitivity, Medium Sensitivity, High Sensitivity, and Most Sensitive. Finally, select the sensitivity level that feels most comfortable for you. After making your selection, your touchpad will immediately respond according to the new setting. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.